Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, should I will talk about ViewSonic XG36 series gaming monitor. So friends, ViewSonic has announced XG36 series gaming monitor specially designed to meet the demand of competitive gamers, and the series include the XG2736 2K and XG2536 model, which are characterized by high refresh rate, low response time and accurate color reproduction, and all of which contribute to an enhanced gaming experience. The XG2736 2K and XG2536 monitor features refresh rate of 240 Hz and 280 Hz, and there's high refresh rate, providing sharp, clear visual for enhanced gameplay by reducing motion blur and ghosting, with a response time of 0.5 milliseconds for precise and response gaming, and the inclusion of AMD FreeSync Premium technology ensure synchronization between the monitor refresh rate and the graphics card's frame rate, preventing screen tearing and stuttering, and the SuperClear IPS panel technology further enhance the visual experience with accurate color and wide viewing angle, making this monitor suitable for both gaming and multimedia use. And friend, in terms of connectivity, both monitors are equipped with HDMI, DisplayPort, USB Type-C port, and the USB-C port support power delivery, enabling user to change device while gaming. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.